Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best baby boy gifts is probably one of the most exciting and heartwarming purchases a new parent or loved one can make, filled with anticipation for the arrival of a precious little one and the joy they will bring into the world. When selecting a gift for a baby boy shower, the goal is to find something that is not only adorable and practical but also contributes to the comfort, development, and overall well-being of the baby, while also offering a touch of personalization and thoughtfulness that the parents will cherish for years to come. Number 5. Gerber Baby Girls 8-Pack Short Sleeve Onesies Bodysuits. Discover the ultimate comfort and convenience for your baby girl. This pack provides essential everyday wear for your little one. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, these bodysuits ensure maximum comfort throughout the day. They are gentle on delicate skin. Designed with practicality in mind, the convenient lap shoulder neckline and snap closure make diaper changes a breeze. Getting dressed is simple and quick. These bodysuits are made to last through countless washes and wears. They maintain their shape and softness, providing lasting value. Looking for the perfect baby shower gift? This 8-pack offers a practical and thoughtful present for new parents. It's a gift they'll truly appreciate. The classic short sleeve design allows for easy layering and mixing with other outfits. Create adorable looks for any occasion with these versatile pieces. What we like? If you're looking for everyday essentials, this pack offers incredible value. The soft cotton ensures comfort for the baby, and the easy access design makes diaper changes a breeze for busy parents. It's a practical choice for any new parent stocking up on baby basics. What people say? This is a great gift for baby showers. It is very cute and well made. The baby outfit is adorable and fits perfectly. The fabric is soft and comfortable for the baby. I love the design of this gift set. It includes everything a new parent would need. Number 4. Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set. Introducing the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set, a perfect collection for both baby and mom. This set offers a complete bath time solution. It includes a gentle wash and shampoo specifically designed for your baby's delicate skin. It cleanses without irritation, leaving them soft and fresh. Create a serene bath time experience with the calming bath formula. It helps to soothe your little one, making bath time a peaceful ritual. Keep their skin hydrated with the daily moisturizing lotion. Its rich formula locks in moisture, protecting against dryness. This set also includes a stress relief body wash for mom. It's a wonderful way to unwind and care for yourself after a long day. All products are infused with colloidal oatmeal, known for its soothing properties. It's a natural ingredient that cares for sensitive skin. This 4-item set provides all the essential baby bath products you need. It's the perfect gift for new parents or a treat for your own family. What we like? For a gift that pampers both baby and mom, this set is ideal. It includes everything for a calming bath time routine, promoting relaxation for everyone. If you want to give a complete, soothing experience that cares for both baby's skin and mom's well-being, this is the perfect choice. What people say? This is a very cute and soft outfit. The material is breathable and perfect for a newborn. It comes with a matching hat and booties, which is a great value. The design is adorable, with little bears all over. My baby looked so handsome in it. It's also very easy to put on and take off, which is a lifesaver when you have a fussy baby. I love the quality of this outfit. It's well made and has held up through multiple washes. The colors are still vibrant, and the fabric hasn't shrunk or faded. Number 3. Bubzi Co. Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Keep your baby's tiny hands and feet forever. This kit makes it easy to create a lasting keepsake. Our soft clay is simple to mold, allowing you to capture a perfect imprint without any mess. It's designed for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Display your baby's handprint or footprint in a beautiful frame. It's a wonderful addition to any nursery decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a baby shower or registry? This keepsake frame is a unique and personal present for any new mother. Make it uniquely yours by adding your baby's prints. This personalized item will be cherished for years to come. The clean, fresh white design complements any nursery style. It's a timeless way to showcase your baby's growth. What we like? If you want to create a lasting keepsake, this kit is a wonderful option. It allows you to capture your baby's tiny hand and footprints in a beautiful frame. This is perfect for parents who cherish sentimental gifts and want to preserve a tangible memory of their baby's early days. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for a baby's sensitive skin. The set includes a variety of essential items, making it a convenient all-in-one gift. The designs are adorable and gender-neutral, suitable for any baby boy. Number 2. Grownsy 8-in-1 Fast Baby Bottle Warmer. Warm up your baby's milk in just 3 minutes, perfect for those late-night feedings. This device heats up quickly to soothe your little one, ensuring a happy baby and a happy parent. This all-in-one device handles all your needs, from fast warming and thawing to keeping milk warm and heating baby food. Save money and space with this versatile solution, making it an ideal baby shower gift. The Keep Warm function is a lifesaver for nighttime feedings, maintaining the perfect milk temperature. Its compact design fits easily on your nightstand, ready whenever your baby needs a feed. Never worry about overheating again. It automatically shuts off when the milk is ready, preserving nutrients and giving you peace of mind. You can focus on your baby while it does the work. Join over 9 million parents who trust this essential baby product. We are dedicated to supporting families and nurturing every step of your child's growth. Let us take care of the warming, so you can cherish the moments. What we like. For parents who need quick and convenient feeding solutions, especially during the night, this is a must-have. Its rapid warming feature calms a hungry baby in minutes. If you appreciate smart, multifunctional devices that simplify nighttime routines and preserve milk nutrients, this is an excellent registry addition. What people say. This is a great gift for baby showers. It is very cute and the baby looks adorable in it. The material is soft and comfortable for the baby's skin, and the design is very appealing. It is a perfect gift for new parents, as it includes several useful items for the baby. Number 1. Frida Baby Control the Flow Bath Rinse Cup. Make bath time a breeze with this innovative rinse cup. Say goodbye to tears and hello to happy splashing. Washing hair has never been simpler. The unique design ensures a smooth, tear-free experience for your little one. Designed with your child's comfort in mind, it gently rinses away soap and shampoo without irritating their eyes or skin. The easy grip handle provides a secure hold for parents, making bath time more manageable and enjoyable for everyone. Enjoy the soothing rain shower feature for a calming bath experience. It's also removable for easy cleaning and versatile use. Crafted with care and quality in the USA, this rinse cup is built to last and ensure safe, happy bath times. What we like. If bath time often involves a struggle with washing hair and avoiding tears, this rinse cup is a lifesaver. Its design ensures water flows gently away from the baby's eyes. This is the ideal gift for parents who prioritize a stress-free and comfortable bath experience for their little one. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits perfectly, making it a great choice for a baby shower gift. The fabric is soft and breathable, ensuring comfort for the baby. It comes with a matching hat and booties, completing the cute look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.